What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my kitchen. You saw the thumbnail. We're making Big Macs, okay? My way, my version. Remember, your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. We're gonna start with the Big Mac sauce. Anything these restaurants making, you can make. It's just gotta, you know, do it. Save money. It's cheaper. So, in my bowl, I have some mayonnaise, relish, and mustard. To this, guys, I'm about to add, ooh, look at that, a teaspoon of paprika. We're adding in a teaspoon of garlic powder. We're adding in a teaspoon of onion powder. Y'all hitting the jaws in there. A couple of teaspoons of sugar. Y'all hear my kids, grandchildren, right? And some white wine vinegar. Just a couple of teaspoons of that. And we're going to stir. Look at that. And we got McDonald's sauce, guys. And if it's not yellow enough for you, or either, you know, that color a little bit orange, I'm just going to add, remember, it's all about the paprika that gives it its color. I'm going to add another teaspoon of paprika in there. And look at that. This is my McDonald's sauce. But it's oranger than that. Okay. Remember, my kitchen your way, your kitchen your way. Look at that. Let me taste it. Tastes like it to me. Tastes like it to me. And I'm not even playing. Okay. We're going to put this in the refrigerator. And then we'll be back. We're going to get started on our patties. Okay, guys, I got my roller hamburger, my Big Mac sauce, my way is in the refrigerator. I have my roller hamburger. And you know, the season your meat with the seasons that you like for you and your family. And I'm just going to go in with my seasoning. Season your hamburger, mix it up well, you know. We're going to make one-fourth patties. Because this thing that I had tells me that they're going to be 1/4 patties. And wait till I tell y'all, I'll show y'all this contraption, this kitchen thing that I have. And I just want to get that seasoning there really, really well. I'm going to make some little balls. Oh, that's a little ball right there, right, guys? And I'm making little balls. I'm making little balls. And I'll make about 4. And what I'm going to do, let me wash my hands. I season it. I got my little balls. Let me wash my hands. I'm going to come back and show you what we're about to do with that. Okay, guys. Look at this. And this is not a paid video, a sponsored video. This is something that I purchased from Amazon for like $10. Like $10.99 or $10.90, something like that. It is a prep solution. It's a 5-piece patty press set. So that we get the perfect McDonald's thin flat hamburgers. I got my oven. Look, I got my oven. I got my stove on getting hot. So they come in different sizes. Why I can't never open nothing up? Wow. Different rings. So you got a small ring, medium ring, and a big ring. But guess what? We're using the medium ring. We're going to sit it right here. And you need to have some type of parchment paper or Reynolds wrap or something, because when you flatten out the hamburger, it's going to be so flat it's going to stick. So you take the ball that you made, just like that, right? You take this top and you just press down to make your patty. Look at that. Look at that. That is so amazing. Now, do you think I need a bigger one? That's a good size, isn't it? Yes, look at that. I'm so excited. It is so easy. And I got this from Amazon. Like I said, it was like $10. And you just press down, hold it. Look at that. That one ain't come out too perfect. Maybe I can press it around now. So look at this one. Put it right in the center like that. Press it down. Man, these are perfect burgers. Them the kids, guys. Look at that. I'm going in with the fourth one. Right in the center. And I'm going to press it down. I like gadgets. I love kitchen gadgets. Oh my goodness. And it's going from my round to my pan. Just like that. So guess what? I'm going to do 2 burgers. We're going to let those cook. I'll wash this up. Yeah, and we're going to put it together. I'm going to get the onions and the lettuce and the sesame seeds bun. Yes. Okay, guys, I did take my little ring thing and mash them some. So let's cook our burgers. I want to make sure they be perfect. Perfect in my house anyway. Just for me and my family. Look at that. Let's make a big mash. And going to the store. We're going to get the buns. Because when these come back, these burgers going to be done. We're going to chop up the lettuce and the onions. We're going to toast them buns. We're going to put this sandwich together. We're going to put 2 sandwiches together on the plate. Okay, guys, we're back. My burgers is done. My butter pan is on. And I have my buns going down just like this. And my family coming for me. They coming for me. Talking about my stuff. These ain't no McDonald's. But guess what? They ain't got to eat it. We got the lettuce here. We got the cheese and the onions. And we're going to do like a shredded lettuce. I'm going to carve a little piece. I'm going to shred it some lettuce. You can buy it already shredded, but I had an iceberg in the refrigerator. Why not do it myself? Got me some shredded lettuce. Help me. Ha! Let's check my bun. Whew. Almost. Almost. And we got some onions. And you know you can make them as little, as big as you want. Let's not forget about your meat, your bread. And not forget about that bread. That definitely go a little bit while longer. Look at that bread. You want little onions, big onion. I said quiet on the set. Alright, there we go. Turn off the stove. Look at that. You gotta let them know you're making the video. And they know. And it's they done it. Okay. So, this is everything we need. Let's get that sauce and put this sandwich together, people. Yes. Let's get the sauce. We'll be back. Alright, guys. We're going to start with our bottom bun right here. We're going to take some of my sauce. Hey, that's that McDonald's sauce. Put the sauce on it. Put it right there, right? Sprinkle some onions. How much is up to you? It's your family sandwich. With some lettuce. Now that we have the lettuce hanging off the side, then they throw on the piece of cheese. Only one piece of cheese. I never realized there's only one piece of cheese with this. Then you put your hamburger right there, right? Then you take your other bun, you put it right there with a little bit of that McDonald's sauce. You know, people always asking for extra. I'm not gonna do a whole lot. That McDonald's sauce, y'all. A little bit more onions. Some more lettuce. Then your hamburger. And do we put sauce in here too? Okay, that's what I said, yeah. And a little bit more of that McDonald's sauce. It's a Big Mac in my house. I don't care. They going on my patties. They say my patties too thick. You want my Big Mac or you want McDonald's Big Mac? Give me a thumbs up, comment below. Let me know which one you want. I did that. We're going to plate this, clean up this mess. I bet you everybody here will want one. Okay, guys, we back. This is my Big Mac. Only thing I didn't do, don't forget to add your pickles. I had them. I was so psyched. Y'all see me out doing a Big Mac. I was like, yes, 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 I did that. Had my kids there going crazy. But guess what? Add your pickles. Make your Big Mac. Hey, you can do it my way or you can go to McDonald's. I say do it my way. Guys, like, share, subscribe. Until next time, tell everybody about SoulfulT, what she's doing in her kitchen. I love my Soul Squad. I'm so excited. It's a Big Mac, y'all.